Nandito na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Dito yung registration nila. Yung entrance.
Aside from this,
Pasok na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Ito yung entrance nila. Ano pala dito? Yung sanctuary pala nila, yung parang temple. Gawa lang ng kahoy at saka hindi ginagamitan ng lansang. Yung pako ba? Pupuntahan natin doon. Kung anong mayroon doon. Mukhang malayo pa yung puntahan namin. Sanctuary of Truth in Thailand. Yun, entrance. Muslim prayer room. Doon pala sa unahan pa. May kainan dito, oh. May kainan dito. Bye. Tara. Ha? Ah, tara. Okay, dadaan. Nandun pala sa dagat. Dagat yung Sanctuary of Truth. Templo. Na natin ito yung view. Oh, ganda doon. Ayun. Sanctuary of Truth. Dami ng tao, pila. Kadalasan dito mga Indian kasama namin. May mga puti rin. Okay.
It's very good to go down.
Very good to go down, but to go up is very hard. Oh. Kahoy. Okay, at last. Going down na kami. Wala yung mga tour guide namin. Ah, helmet. Teka, helmet yung tag. Lahat ay hindi matapasudlon. Hindi daw pwede yung kasunod pag walang helmet.
Listen please everyone. Sawadika, Salika. Over there please, take a sit down. Wait here please everyone down, follow here. Please take a sit down.
Okay.
Setting up new artwork under the construction. That's why. Just for your safety, if you are on outside, you can hold like this, okay? You can take off and hold it. We in time for the inside only. Come this way please, everyone down, follow here. English door 420. Come on this way please, everyone here. This way, we are waiting you to start the tour. Alright, this way please everyone. A video until 6 evening. Museum is going to close at 6 p.m. Don't worry everyone, you have a time, okay? So firstly, we are going to the workshop area. In our workshop area, you can see how we make it by the traditional way of wood carving process. And then we go to the museum outside and inside. On the way also, we will see is the beautiful artwork. I give you some information, okay? So if you are ready, let's start to do it now.
So, kami
We get to watch your style.
papasok na kami ng sanctuary. Dito pa kami sa loob. Papasok pa.
Come up close to that right here. May I share one information here, okay? So before we start the information, let me remind all of you, if you want to use the toilet, you can use now in your behind, because inside museum,
toilet.
there is no toilet for us, okay? Inside the museum, no toilet. If you want to use, you can use now in your behind. Okay, everyone, close to that right here. So we all are ready. Workshop area. This is our carving department. So before we installation outside inside museum, you can see how we make it by the traditional way for wood carving process. As for the design also, our founder, Mr. Lev Vidyappa, he already designed us all the workpiece. Okay? So let me tell all of you here, listen please, everyone down. So look at this on your left and right.
Yung mga carvings nila.
All the wood carving is just museum decoration. So if you are interested, come back again. You can take a look at the video and think even me.
Yung kahoy. Nila. Very good. Yeah. May mga carvings ba?
This is the private museum. So let me show you how the one is over there. Here is the
Malililaw. Mga babae pa. Ito yung parang mini art nila. Ito yung ginagamit nila.
ladies and gentlemen,
Paano yung ginagamit.
look at this all the right
Yung
here.
sa actual ito,
So
hindi
that
pa
is
hindi ito actual eh.
interesting. We carry generation by
Maliit lang.
generation. So nowadays, it gives them
Ginaganyan
to
nila.
find in the other places. Okay? So that's why let me show you how we make it by the traditional way.
Mini art.
So look at that firstly. That we call is long term.
Ito na. Yung malaking sanctuary. Ito yung mga ano lang pala.
Beautiful. This project started from 1981. Now 45 years. Until
45
this
years
time,
na
we
pa.
not finished yet, okay? It's still working and coming down. That's why we give you the helmet for the safety. If you want to
45
know
years.
which year to finish, no idea for that, okay? No idea for us. Because it's made another 3
Ito
to
na kami.
5 minutes, work eat together. They say please everyone down. The other side we gotta shake. We gotta stretch out, okay? Only this and then the sunshine. Come this way please
Ito
everyone.
ng mga kahoy na ginagamit
This
nila
way
dito.
please everyone. It's just the exit. This is not the asphalt. Just the exit. When you go to the
Oh.
asphalt over there, the other
Oh.
side everyone here.
Wala ng aquarium nila. Dito ginagamitan ng pato. Dito mo sa exit. Wala tayo pisira.
What is the base?
Ito na.
Second for the body breathing.
Papasok na kami
The
dito.
next one is UCL room.
Yun yung entrance. Punta kami doon. Nandun na yung wifi ko. Paghihintay. Ganda dito. Parang simala. Oh, kahoy lang to eh. Pasok na kami. Oops. Okay. Ay, yung mga kuha nila, puro mga tuog mo siguro na gamit nila. Huh? Hello. Hello. Dito na kami sa loob. May information dito.
For the next one, very once we bring down you to the signatures of life, okay? For the signatures of life, very once, which the philosophy version, how do we survive, okay? All of this right here.
Dito tayo. Oh, may entrance din dito. God of water. God of water daw. God of earth. Ito tayo.
Sculpture with animal. Body
God of
represent
wind.
about flesh, skin,
God of wind,
thunder, and your bone. Next one is that this is water. Sculpture with the word and body represent of your
God
liquid,
of fire.
secretion, urine, tear, blood, sweat is body liquid. Another one is that this is the wind element. Scatter with the movement and body represent blood pressure. Outside, inside, outward.
Kaya sa
Let's read that.
sentro. Ganda ng ano din, ah. Yun. Ganda sa loob. Puro mga kahoy. Ang gamit nila. So, walang pako na dito. Lawak dito, guys. Ito pinakasinto nila. Yan. Ito yung pinakasinto nila. Pinaka-secret nila. Ganda ng mga carvings.
Ito ba ubuso? Sorry ko din ba?
style. There are different type of roof as well. Some of the roofs that by two
Palabas
layers.
na kami dito.
But
Dito tayo. Dito tayo nadaan. Ito yung pinaka-exit. Pinaka-exit niya. Pauwi na kami mga doyog. Gusto kami punta doon sa loob. Ang ganda doon.
Ito จะเอาไปขยายเป็นสัดส่วนต่อสีเอาไปตั้งจิตโมประสาทก่อนแล้วก็แก้ไขว่า